Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, let me introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Angga Fernanda and NPM 2311050. Um, and here I will present about value-based and ethical leadership. Understand various ethical leadership concepts. Ethical leadership involves demonstrating normatively appropriate conduct through personal action and interpersonal relationship. These include honest fairness, integrity, and respect for others. It also entails the promotion of such conduct among follow through communication, renoncement, and decision making. Key concepts include moral person versus moral manager, ethical decision-making model, and stakeholder theory. 2. Understand the difficulty in defining and asserting ethical leadership. Ethical leadership is inherently subjective and context-dependent. The challenge lies in different cultural, organizational, and individual interpretation of what constitutes ethical behavior. Moreover, some ethical decisions may have the lead of the views seen as ethical by some and unethical by others, depending on stakeholder interests and moral stakeholders. 3. Understanding individual and situational influence on ethical. Ethical behavior is shaped by both the leader internal value, e.g. moral integrity, level of moral reasoning, and external situation factor. Reward system, pressure or expectation. A leader with strong ethical may still unethically under high pressure and ambiguous norm unless active mechanisms are in place. 4. Understand transformational servant spiritual and authentic leadership theory. Transformational leadership inspires following through vision and charisma often tied to ethical value but can become ethnically questionable if manipulation occurs. Servant leadership focus on serving others, prioritizing followers, development, and community building, which align closely with ethical leadership. Spiritual leadership integrates values such as hope, pride, and altruistic love, aiming to create a sense of purpose and connectedness. Authentic leadership emphasizes self-awareness, relational transparency, internalize moral perspective, and balanced processing of information. 5. Understand the consequence of ethical leadership for follower and the organization. Ethical leadership has been shown to improve employee job satisfaction and trust, promote ethical behavior, and reduce misconduct. Increase organizational commit and engagement, exchange organizational citizenship behavior, cultivate a strong ethical climate, boost perceived leader effectiveness and psychological safety. Unethical leadership, on the other hand, can lead to cynicism, turnover, low morale, and reputational damage. 6. Understand how to promote ethical behavior and oppose unethical practice. Promoting ethical behavior requires establishing and modeling clear ethical standards, create safe reporting system for ethical behavior, educating employee through training and ethical dilemma simulation, embedding ethical into performance evaluation. Opposing unethical practice include whistleblowing, refusal to comply with unethical order, and public accountability mechanism. Leader must be willing to take ethical standard even at personal or potential cost. Dilemmas in assessing ethical leadership. Assessing ethical leadership is complicated due to complicated value, e.g., loyalty versus honestly, temporal, temporal delay. Ethical action may not show result immediately. Beneficiary ambiguity. Decision often benefit some while harming others. Influence tactic. Create enthusiasm can border on manipulation. This deems highlighted the tension between influence and manipulation and the need for the leader to carefully examine the means as well as the end. 8. Influence follower commitment and optimizing as a source of ethical problem. Motivating follower is essential, but over-promising or influencing optimism about risky intellectually can mislead. Persuading followers to change core belief may be coercive. Strategy decision may advantage some group while disadvantaging others. Thus, leader must practice ethical influence by maintaining transparency, allowing dissent, and ensuring decisions are inclusive and just. 9. Determinate and consensual ethical leadership. Determinate individual moral in development, perception, strength, personal values, substantial organization culture, reward system, peer behavior, ethical code. Criteria for evaluation. Consistency between value interior and action impact and other and on organizational outcome. Consequence. Improve ethical climate, increase job satisfaction and engagement, level of organizational commitment and performance, trust in leadership, and perseverance. 10. Theory of value-based leadership. Value-based leadership refers to leading by aligning action with core values such as respect, responsibility, fairness, and compassion. It encourages ethical consistency, long-term thinking, and holistic decision-making. This style helps leaders become moral role model and build organizational culture rooted in integrity. 11. Ethical leadership will wieldiness. Establish clear ethical standards, develop code of conduct, and communicate them frequently. Model ethnic behavior. Actions speak louder than words. Leaders should walk to talk with ethical decision making, encourage moral reasoning, and provide tools for analyzing dilemmas. Of most ethical practice. Take a broad public stance and support those who raises concern. Support ethical program. Implement ethnic training, compliance system and employee assistance program to reinforce ethical norms. And thank you for attention. Um, Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.